Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and good. Today onwards, we will begin the syllabus of your upcoming quarterly exam. Okay? And we have already done before your half yearly exam chapter 9 and 10. Those who have not completed, please complete chapter 9 and 10. Its video is already uploaded in the link. Okay? And today onwards, we will start chapter 11. That is speed, distance and time. What is speed? First of all, understand the concept of speed. So we know that the distance covered by a body in a unit time is called its speed. Means distance covered by a body in a particular time given, that is called its speed. Like if a car covers suppose 100 kilometer distance in 2 hours. Okay. Then what will be the speed of the car? So speed of the car will be distance divided by time. This is the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is 100 divided by time. So 2 5s are 10, 250 kilometer per hour is the speed of the body. In this manner, we can find out the speed. And now come to its unit. So what is the unit of distance? Distance is already, always we write the distance in kilometer or meter or centimeter like this. And time we always write in meter or, minute or hour or second. Okay. Suppose distance is given in kilometer and time is given in hour. So our speed will be kilometer per hour. The speed unit will be kilometer per hour. Suppose the distance is given in meter and time is given in second. So speed unit will be meter per second. Sometimes if time is given in minute and distance is given in meter, then meter per minute or kilometer per minute, kilometer per hour. Whatever the distance is given or time is given the unit, the speed unit will be according to the distance and time. Okay. Now, what is time? So, time formula is written here. Time is just distance divided by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time and time is equal to distance by speed. So whenever you have to find out the speed, the time will come down. If you have to find out the time, the speed will come down. Okay. And if you have to find out the distance is equal to speed into time. So look at this two formula. You can see distance is always up. Okay. In the numerator. If you have to find out the speed, time will come down. Time, then speed will come down. And if you have to find out the distance itself, then speed into time. Remember these formulas. Okay. Now what is our unit for time? So time is equal to distance by speed. So distance suppose given in kilometer and speed is given kilometer per hour. Then kilometer into hour by kilometer, kilometer will get cancelled. We will get the unit in hour or minutes, sometimes in second. According to the different question, different unit can be given. Now the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So according to this, according to the formula, we can find out the unit also. Suppose speed is given in kilometer per hour and time is given in hour. So R will get cancelled because it is in denominator, it is up. So we can cancel it. The unit is kilometer. So distance unit can be kilometer or it can be meter or it can be centimeter. Okay. Now conversion of units of speed. How we can convert one unit into the another unit of speed. So speed, first of all, see the speed unit can be kilometer per hour, meter per second, meter per minute also it can be, kilometer per minute also. Because speed is distance by time. So in the numerator the unit of distance and in the denominator the unit of time. Distance by time. Okay. Now question is how we can convert the unit of speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, or from meter per second to kilometer per hour, or simply kilometer per hour to meter per minute, like this. Look at here. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. You know this? So 1 meter will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Means if you have to change kilometer into meter, we will multiply by 1000. And if you have to change meter into kilometer, we will divide by 1000. You know this conversion unit because I have already taught you this formula. Kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, meter, gram, liter, deci, centi, milli. Just recall that formula. If you have to change kilometer into hectometer, when we move from this side to this side, we multiply, and when we move from this side to this side, we divide. Suppose you have to change meter into kilometer, then how many digit you will divide by? 1, 2, 3. We will divide by 1000. Okay, if you have to move from kilometer to meter, then from this side to this side, if you are moving 1, 2, 3, we will divide by 1, 2, 3 zeros, means 1000. Okay, similarly you have to move from meter to centimeter, then 1, 2, we will multiply by 2 zeros, means 100. And if you have to change centimeter to meter, then 1, 2, again we will divide by 100. So kilometer to meter we will multiply by 100, meter to kilometer we will divide by 1000, and here also 1000, not 100. Okay, now hour to second, this you already know that 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 second. Means if you have to change hour into minute, we will just multiply by 60, and minute into second, then again multiply by 60. Means 6 6 are 3600 second. In 1 hour there are 3600 second. Now understand this one carefully. Suppose you have to change 1 kilometer per hour, this speed, into meter per second, then what we will do? So 1 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So kilometer to meter you have to change, so we will multiply by 1000. And meter per second means hour to second. So hour to second, what we will do? 60 multiplied by 60. We will divide. Why we are dividing? Because per hour, hour is in denominator. So we will change this into denominator only, in meter per second. So 1000 divided by 3600. This 20 multiplied, 00 will get cancelled. Then 5 2 ja 10. You can just 2 5s are 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 5 by 18 meter per second. So whenever you have to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will multiply by 5 by 80. Okay, this is the shortcut way. You need not to multiply by 1000 by 60 into 60. Directly you can multiply it by 5 by 18 because its value is this only. Okay, after cancelling it out, you can find out this value. Suppose you have to change meter per second into kilometer per hour. Suppose you have 1 meter per second. So what we will do? Meter to kilometer. What you will do? So here you will this time divide by 1000. So 1 divided by means 1 by 1000, and then per second. Second to hour, what you will do? Second to hour, again we will divide by 60 into 60, then 3600, 3600. Then if you will make its reciprocal, we will get 3600 divided by 1000. If you will get cancel, you will just cancel this out. We will get here again 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 18. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So here what is happening, that if you have to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will multiply it by 5 by 18. And if you have to change meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply by 18 by 5. Okay, any doubt here? No. Now the question is, if you have to multiply not meter per second or not kilometer, suppose you have to change kilometer per hour into meter per minute. So in this case, what you will do? So in this case, kilometer per hour you are going to change into meter per minute, not meter per second. So kilometer to meter, we will multiply by 1000. And hour to minute, what we will do? Not 60 into 60. Hour to minute, just one time only 60. Because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So you will just multiply this by 1000 divided by 60. Suppose 5 kilometer per hour, you have to change this into meter per minute. So 5 into 1000 by 60. This will cancel. 500 by 6. We will cancel this out. Whatever the value will come, that will be equal to meter per minute. Okay. So according to the question, we will change accordingly. Kilometer per hour or meter per second or meter per minute. I hope you have understood this. Now look at question number 1 of exercise 11.1. A truck covers a distance of 40 km in 30 minutes. Find the speed of the truck in kilometer per hour. Look at here. Distance is given in kilometer, time is given in minute, and you have to change this into kilometer per hour. So first of all, we will write distance into 40 kilometer, time is equal to 30 minutes. And you have to find out the speed. So we know the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. So we will write distance by time. But look at here. Question is asked that you have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. Means distance will be in the same unit, but time will be in hour, not in minutes. So what we will do, we will here only change this minute into hour. So how to change minute into hour? 30 divided by 60. Okay. Then 1 by 2 hour. This minute we have changed into hour. Now put in the formula distance by time. This is 40. Here time we will write this one in hour, 1 by 2. So 40 into 2 by 1. 2 4s are 8. 80 kilometer per hour. This is the way you can change this. Question number 2 similarly. In how much time can a distance of 57.6 km be covered at a speed of 8 meter per second? Means here you have to find out the time. Distance is given and speed is also given. So what is the distance? So write down the distance first. 57.6 km. And speed is also given. Speed is equal to 8 meter per second. You have to find out the time. And we know the formula of time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, but distance is given in kilometer and speed is given in meter per second. You cannot divide or multiply this two unit because both the unit are different. Either you have to change this kilometer into meter or change this meter into kilometer. So what we will do, because question is asking in time, so may be given in hour or second. So we will try change this 8 meter into kilometer. So change this full unit kilometer per hour into kilometer per hour. 8 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Because this unit is given in kilometer. So we have to make both same. So now only I have explained you how to change meter per second into kilometer per hour. Look at here. Meter per second into kilometer per hour. We will just multiply it by 18 by 5. Multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay, just multiply 8 8 just 64, 6 8 and 6 14, 144 by 5 kilometer per hour. We have just changed this meter per second into kilometer per hour. Now both the unit are in, this is in also in kilometer, this is also in kilometer per hour. Now you can put in the formula 57.6 kilometer and speed is given in 144 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now 57.6 into 5 by 144, we will make its reciprocal. Okay, you will remove this decimal, we will get here 10. 5 2 is 10. You can just divide it. 2 2 is 4. 2 8 is 16. Then here also 2 8 is 16. 288. 144. 2 is 288. 2 hour. Okay, 2 hour is the time. So in 2 hour it can cover a distance of 57.6 kilometer at a speed 8 meter per second. I hope this is also clear. Now question number 3 and 4 you have to try. Other question also you can try. We will again discuss this exercise only in the next video. Okay, till then just try the questions, all these questions to solve. Try out to solve it. Okay.